Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Toyotress, and they sent me these long ass beautiful butterfly locks 36 inches here. Okay, I love these. I live for long hair, and to get this done in like 30 minutes, come on now, like come on. Actually it was like an hour, but still, you can't find this anywhere. So what I did was I just braided my hair back because I will be doing the braided method. I tried timing it, and it really was done in like an hour. Like, I'm gonna just say an hour because it was like 50 something minutes, but I got it done in like an hour. And I'm just doing the loop method where you just push the hair through the loop. Like it's easy to go in, and it's not too heavy on your head, and it's long. Like guys, I lived for these everywhere I went, especially when it got messy. Oh my gosh, like everybody was just like, oh my gosh, I love this. Like, how long did it take to do it? And I'm like, an hour. They're like, really? I'm like, yeah. But anyways, I love working with, butterfly locks, passion twists, hair, and all of that because it's like, I don't know, it just makes it seem like it's my hair. So yeah, I live for natural hairstyles, and these are one of my best protective hairstyles, especially in the winter time when you don't want to touch your hair. You just braid your hair back, put your locks on, and you're good to go. And worse, if you want it long, then this is the easier way to do it. Other than, can you imagine sitting down for like 6 hours and getting these 36-inch butterfly locks? Like, whoo. And they felt real. Like, it's not like it's soft like those. Even though it's crochet, it wasn't like soft and springy. It felt like it's actually a lock. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch as I install this here. Once again, I would like to thank Toyotress for sending me these locks. I absolutely love them, and I look forward to working with them again. Yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch, and then I'll come back when I'm doing my baby hairs, because this is really like nothing. Like, it was done in like no time. Okay, so I'll let you guys watch, and then I'll come back at the end.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. Something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. at my face, you saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Pretty much the final look. All I'm doing right now is just putting it into a style. Honestly, you guys, they sent me 7 packs of they sent me 7 packs, and in each pack came 10 strands. I would probably use a next one for myself, because like in the middle of my head kind of had a little bit of space. Didn't know that my head was that big. But if you have the same head size as me, then you probably will need an extra pack. But all in all, I love this hairstyle. It came out very cute. I will insert a picture to show you guys like where it actually reaches me. I'm 5'5". I forgot to do like a length test on camera like while I was doing it, but I did take a picture of it, so I will show you guys It's pretty much a thumbnail, but I'll show you guys like where it reaches me. But yeah, I absolutely loved it. Thank you, Toyotress, for sponsoring this video. I look forward to working with you guys again. And yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next one.